Andrea. I'm so sorry. She's gone. You gotta let us take her. We all cared about her, and I promise we'll be as gentle as we can.
She still won't move.
She won't even talk to us. She's been there all night. What do we do?
Can't just leave Amy like that. We need to deal with it. Same as the others. I'll how it is. Andrea.
I know how the safety works.
All right. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
AMC's The Walking Dead. See the entire episode when it premieres, Sunday, November 28th at 10, only on AMC. Telling the best original stories on TV.